What's up, guys? It's Devin from Neptune Design here, and today we are going to do a full Google Ads course just for you, and we are going to do it free of charge. I've been wanting to create this course for a long time, but every time I got busy or I had a new client or there was some work to do, but I really wanted to create this free resource for you so that you can use it in your business and in your day-to-day life as a digital marketer. Now, we are going to be covering a lot of subjects in this course, guys. We are going to be going over the basics, and we are going to go over some advanced stuff, and we are going to show you how to get results from your Google Ads, and we're also going to show you how to control costs. But I'm getting a bit carried away. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to introduce myself. If you're new to this channel or if it's your first time, I would like you to like or subscribe to the channel if you like the content that we're putting out here. My name is Devin Thomas, and I've been working for Neptune Design now for the past 3 years, and I've been doing it as a digital marketer. Now, I am a Google certified digital marketer, and I've been working with lots of businesses, and I know how to grow audiences and I know how to get leads using social media marketing. So if you want to grow your business, or if you want to learn this whole social media marketing thing, you are definitely in the right place. Now, over the years, what I've learned from my failures and my successes, I'm now able to put all this information into a course, and I'm able to give it to you free of charge. And some of you might be saying, yeah, but what's the catch? Why would you give me all of this stuff free of charge? Well, basically, dudes, we get paid from YouTube. So if you're watching our content, we just put out more content and we'll get paid from YouTube anyway. So there's really no loss in putting this content out for free from us. So there's your explanation right there. Okay, so we're gonna talk about what we're going through in this course. Yo, I need to catch my breath. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's talk about what you're gonna get in this course. Okay, the first part of this course, and this course is separated into 4 different parts. So the first section or part of this course will be covering your basics. So we'll be covering stuff like understanding your Google Ads dashboard. We'll be covering things like how to run your basic Google Ads. So I'm going to teach you how to start your first Google search ad campaign. I'm going to show you how to do your first Google display ads campaign, and I'm going to show you how to do your first video ad campaign, all of them using Google Ads, and I'm going to take you through it step by step, nicely and slowly, so that you can become competent, and eventually you'll get so good at it that you'll even be better than me, which is possible because I'm not a genius, so it's possible. Okay, second thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be going over the settings. Okay, so in the second part, it's all about the settings. We're going to teach you how to understand targeting. We're going to teach you how to understand your audiences and understanding the audience settings in Google Ads. And then we're going to talk about location settings. For example, how do you advertise only to people in a certain location or a certain radius? Or what if you want to exclude certain neighborhoods or sections or countries from seeing your ads? Is that possible? And it's very possible. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Last but not least, I am going to be showing you how to use Google Keyword Planner. This is one of the best things that I found in marketing, and it really helps you to not only create great ads or get great results from ads, it also helps you to write blog articles and even get content ideas. So it's an amazing tool to have, and it's completely free, which is amazing. Okay, and then we're gonna go on to your best practices. Your best practices would be how to use landing pages, or why you should use landing pages. We're going to talk about your bidding options in Google Ads, and we're also going to be talking about Google Ads extensions. I'm going to give you the ultimate guide to Google Ads extensions. I'm going to be showing you call out extensions, call extensions, lead form extensions. I am going to really go gangster on that section. Last but not least, we're going to talk about results, because if you're marketing like I'm marketing, you're marketing to get results. So if you're not getting any results from your ads, there's no point in running your ads. So we're going to be talking about running split tests. We're going to be talking about optimizing your ads, and we're going to be talking about how to control your budget, most importantly. So thanks very much for joining us. I hope you stay through to the end of this course. We're going to chop it up into videos so that it's easy for you to digest. So this is Devin from Neptune Design, and I hope to see you in the next video.